Hi there, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a quick look at this Redarc Industrial Pure Sine Wave inverter. This is a 1,500 watt industrial inverter that's going to use the DC power coming from your RV's 12 volt battery. It's going to invert that to provide AC power for your electronics and appliances. This does have the Pure Sine Wave technology that's going to replicate the clean and stable AC power that you use at home. So your sensitive electronics like your HD TVs, computers, and other devices will be able to run safely. This does have this function switch here at the front. You can see there's 4 small switches there. So depending on how you have those oriented, it's going to allow you to select different output voltages from 100 volts to 110, 115, and 120 volts. And then frequencies between 50 hertz and 60 hertz with that 3rd switch there. And then that 4th switch is going to allow you to turn the power saver on and off. You also have that adjustment dial right there next to those switches that will give you the ability to dial the input and wake up threshold so that you can get that set where you want it to for your power saver. This is rated for 1,500 watts of running power. It's got a starting or surge power output rating of 2,650 watts. On the front here as well, you are going to have your LED indicators. I'll zoom back in so you can see those a little bit better. So these are going to give you your input voltage level, output load level, and fault conditions. You can see we do have the 2 GFCI AC outlets here that you can plug into. And then on the back here, we do have our positive and negative connections for your DC input coming from your batteries. And they include connectors for you to get these installed, and those covers there to help make sure that you have a nice protected connection. This is going to be compatible with a flush mount remote. So if I zoom in again here, you can see this port here is going to give us that flush mount remote connection. That is sold separately. You can find it here at etrailer.com using the part number you see on the screen there. And so if you want to have a little extra convenience, be able to control your inverter from inside your RV, that is going to be a great way to go. And then down here we have our ground, so we can get our DC hooked up, positive, negative, and ground, and then we have that remote if we like. This does have plenty of built-in safety features to help protect your RV's electrical system. It's going to protect from over and under voltage, overloading, and overcurrent. The inverter also uses a heat sink process to protect from extreme temperatures, and an internal cooling fan that will remove excess heat from the unit. So this will operate in temperatures ranging from -4 degrees Fahrenheit up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, and it will store in temperatures from -22 degrees Fahrenheit up to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. So even if you're storing it out in the heat, it will hold up well for you, and it will operate in very cold temperatures as well. It is recommended that you install a fuse between your battery bank and the inverter to help further protect your equipment, especially from power surges. Having that fuse in line there will help you with that. That is sold separately. We do have several options available here at etrailer.com. But when you're mounting this, you will want to mount it near your battery compartment, but not in the same compartment. I'll give you a few measurements here so you can see where this will fit for you. So once you have those covers there mounted in place, our overall length, we're going to be looking at about 16 9/16 of an inch long. Our overall width for that base there is about 9 3/4 of an inch. And then our height is just a little over 3 inches. We'll call it 3 1/4 of an inch tall. You can see this does have these notches here so that you can easily get it mounted. Just putting screws in place there will hold this where you want it to be. They do include instructions for you to get this set up so that you can trust, especially with electricity, you always want to be extra careful. So it's nice having those instructions to help make sure that you're getting everything set up properly. So if you are looking for a 1,500 watt inverter for your RV setup, this is going to do a great job for you. That Pure Sine Wave technology is really important, especially for those sensitive electronics. It's going to be just as good, if not better, than the AC that comes through your walls at home. So a really great option for you if you are looking for that 1,500 watt inverter. We do have other options for higher wattage, some lower wattage options as well. So make sure you're getting the right system for your setup. That completes our look for today. Again, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Thanks for watching.